So let's consider a skateboarder starting from rest at a certain height edge and then rolling back and forth along the ramp. So if we neglect friction, then the skateboarder earth system can be considered to be isolated, where the only internal force in the system is the force of gravity, which is a conservative force, and so no energy is lost from the system as the skateboarder moves. And the total mechanical energy E, which is the sum of the kinetic and potential energy of the skateboarder earth system, remains constant at all times. And as the skateboarder moves, it is converted from potential to kinetic and back to potential, back and forth. So at the starting point, the gravitational potential energy is maximum and the kinetic energy is zero because the skateboarder starts from rest. So at a height of h over 2, the total mechanical energy is half potential, half kinetic. So at the bottom, the potential energy is minimum and the kinetic energy is maximum. And the potential energy is zero if we take the reference point of U to be zero at this point. So the skateboarder is moving faster at this point and then starts slowing down, moving upwards until it reaches the maximum height and then accelerates downwards again.